Concepts are one of the most important things when we want to learn a new skill or work with a new tool. When we learn the concepts about a tool, it's more likely that we will never forget how to work with that tool. Here in this course, I try to cover all the concepts about every tool and every feature that Adobe Xd has to offer in the design mode. Adobe Xd is an awesome tool. You can design amazing websites and applications with it, and that's not all. It's more than a UI UX designing tool. You can design amazing posts for different social media platforms with it. Xd is so simple yet so powerful. It's a great choice for you if you want to start working as a UI UX designer or you want to design some awesome posts for social media platforms. And it's powerful in a way that you can almost design every application, every website that you can think of. You can bring your ideas to life with Adobe Xd. This course is aimed for beginners, but I didn't want it to be a basic course. So I planned it in a way that you can start learning even if you don't have any experience with any kind of designing tool. And at the same time, we go in depth and cover every tool and every feature that Adobe Xd has to offer in the design mode. So, although beginners are the main target for this course, this doesn't mean that we will stick to the basic level. This course goes in deep and will explore every corner in Adobe Xd's design mode. Adobe Xd is available for free. You can download it from Adobe website. I leave the link in the description below. Go ahead, download it, and let's start learning Xd together.